So this is Santa 2024 ride, and look at the crowd.
Welcome to Santa Ride 2024.
Hello, VJ. How are you?
Hey, good to see you.
See you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. You got a shit.
Thank you.
Starting at Shek, that's a very beautiful place, a lovely beach, and people waving all around. This route feels like a video game. And Tai Tam Tuk Reservoir is my favorite place in Hong Kong. Both sides are water, and what a view. Finally, we reached to Stanley Main Street, and this is a historical place. Seeing so many riders this time, and everyone in the spirit of Santa, with love and celebration. And people are excited to see so many Santa all at once. The smile comes on the face by itself.
This is a wonderful place called Stanley Beach. And look. Isn't it beautiful? So if you're interested to ride next time, stay in touch and surely comment below. And in the meantime, enjoy the Christmas vibe. Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you.
I like your
Hi.
Santa suit.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. I'm VJ. What's your name?
Rohini.
Hello, man.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
You too,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, love your Santa suit.
I'm saying I like
Just
the
try to
suit.
grab something red and white. All right, then see you around.
I see that.
Yes. So yeah, that's how it feels like to be in the Santa ride.
Time to go for our next stop, and that is Lan Kwai Fong. Lan Kwai Fong, the heart of the nightlife in Hong Kong.
Nice, good to see you, man.
Are you vlogging, sir?
Yes. Hey, good to see you.
Lan Kwai Fong is the place where the weekends are full of cheers, parties, pubs, and joy and music. Let's go. At first, I didn't realize how many Santas are there. But look at there, my goodness. Whole street is full of red Santas. Kudos to all Santas, very well done, following the traffic rules, staying in lane, and spreading the cheer. And the crowd everywhere, with their phone cameras on, waving at us, feels like a parade. And finally, we are approaching towards our final destination, that is Central AIA Big Wheel.
That's the Santa ride.
How is it? Nice to meet you. We have seen a lot of
Yeah,
monsters
good to
of
see
you.
you.
Yeah, Jessica.
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you.
Hi.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Good to see you. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
You're from India, where?
Yes, I'm from here, Rajasthan, Jaipur.
Rajasthan, Jaipur. I'm from
Right.
Delhi. And you, brother?
From Sri Lanka.
From Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Ayubuan, you know?
Are you born?
Yeah. This is what the ride is all about, right? Meeting new friends,
Yeah.
connecting new friends.
Great.
Yeah, this is what
Come here.
the Santa ride is all about.
Next year I'm getting this.
This is from H&M.
Yes, I'm getting this next year.
That's good.
Hey, Merry
See you around. Ride safe. Good to see you.
Merry Christmas.
Yes. Merry Christmas. In the end, the tradition says we take one big group photo with the Santa poster.
Looking for a guy dressed in red. I lost it somewhere. Red.
Everyone is wearing red.
Damn.
So yeah, this is a wrap. Merry Christmas. Oh! There's a mouse trapped. So cute. So this is it. From here, move on. Go, ride, enjoy, and ride safe. Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Ride safe, stay blessed, and to watch more, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. This is VGK United.